time to be filming. It's time to get ready for school because it's already 6:40. My alarm has been going off since like 5 something in the morning and it drives me crazy. I'm all ready for school now. Well, not really, but like not mentally, but I'm gonna go to my bus stop. I don't wanna go. In about 30 minutes, my friend gets off of co-op and we're gonna book our theater tickets for the BTS Permission to Dance concert thing. Yep. These us two here. Okay, are we sure? Are we sure those are the ones we want?
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Bro, I literally feel like I'm getting freaking actual concert tickets. Okay, those are the ones. You're good with these ones.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
Okay. Say hi, Victoria.
Hello.
Oh, we're going for a walk to the beach. This is my fit check, so I have this white top. These pants Victoria gave me, this flannel, and then this Victoria's necklace she gave me, and then I have these rings.
Well, I left my rings on the table, eh?
What table? Did you?
If you walk over there, you see my rings just laid out.
Oh, Victoria's rings. Our styles and rings, though.
Oh, your rings are so much different from mine. Mine are all like...
This is not the right time to be filming. I'm wearing like boots and she's wearing shoes.
Dude, look at this.
Look, somebody made super cute snowman. The fact that it's not broken though.
Its hair's coming off.
Are you sure you can make it up? Oh, you want to go back down?
Hard to climb up a steep hill with shoes.
Do you want to go back down?
We're halfway up.
Or you want me to come down?
See these rock climbing skills?
Runs in tiny. Still all ice out. Victoria's Christmas present.
Bro. So much tape. Okay. You tape the thing to the...
Yeah. Because so it doesn't move around when like you wrap it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh,
They didn't have any like palettes, so I got you the tubes instead.
Wait, these are watercolors?
Mm-hmm. They're just some tubes. It's currently snowing. I don't want to walk to the bus stop too early because I don't want my bangs to get wet.
Go on road ride. Road biking is how it is. I just miss going because me and Cody would go for really like.
How? Like, they're not screwed up. How? First push down. Pushing down.
Yeah, and then drag. No, go like this.
Bro, I swear.
Alright, go, go, go.
Oh!
Beautiful.
I'm going to see BTS at the cinema today and I'm so excited. This is my fit. I'll go into the bathroom and show you guys a better overview of my fit. But it's snowing so much outside, I'm like worried about my bangs right now, but...
Wow. Thanks to Big Bro, we get to play this song. And my friends is following behind. I wanna dance, the music's got me going. It's definitely not happening. I'm so excited. Me too. It's so cute. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. The screen one. Watch the screen. Wait, I'm scared. Stop, I'm scared. I didn't have time to show you guys my fit earlier, but that's what I wore. I wore black jeans, the white tee, a belt, and a leather jacket. The photos. What, the photos came out so good. Oh my god.
Oh, they came out so good. And then,
So cute.
then there's like.
Don't you have like, wait, you have spare?
Back to our vlog.
No. That's so like. We got donuts. Woo!
Oh my gosh, look.
Jennifer, put yours in too. Put yours. What are you doing over here? Let's see what you're doing.
On the hunt.
She's crying.
She's trying. She's trying, but it's not.
Oh, she's trying to find like trio ones.
I don't know. I'm so uncultured. What are you doing? Wow. Okay, I see how it is. Okay, I'm trying to suffocate.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, what's... Oh, he's so fun.
It is 9:48 and I'm on FaceTime with Mandy. I finished my assignment, I've submitted it already. So I'm gonna treat myself now and I'm gonna open this package. I'm so excited. This cost so much money. So much money and I'm very mad right now. I've been so mad for like the past little bit. I got mad at somebody. We're not gonna say names. And then I got mad. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it looks so good! Stop! Oh, look at it!
I know, right? Oh my gosh, it's like shiny. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on camera. You know what I'm saying? And then tomorrow by together. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Wait, my photo cards! My photo cards! Oh my gosh, wait! I see the photo card! Oh, it's so cute. To put it in. Oh my gosh, wait! Wait, guys, you know who's up next, right? Oh, wait, no, I'm not ready. Okay, no, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. It's not beomgyu. He's so cute. He's such a baby in the photo. He looks so good. He looks so good. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so cute.
Let's take a moment, guys. We gotta just appreciate his visuals for a second. Guys. I can't. Oh, he's so cute. Are you guys ready for this? Because I'm not. Oh my gosh, look at it! Oh, my voice just died. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh, Jay! He's so cute! Oh my gosh, 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 it's Jake! He's so cute! I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty! Oh my gosh, Sonya's so cute! 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, he's so cute! Wait! He's so cute. 1. Oh, he's so cute!
Oh.
Look at it! Where are we going, Andy? Kpop store. Yeah. Mine too, though. My bangs. Stop. Can you fix something real quick? Just like, you're back like. Wait, my glasses are. I just messed them up again. Let's go.
Your happiest spring starts at Lowe's.
You see anything? Does that pique their interest? They have eyes too! There's wonwoo. Stray Kids. NCT. There's Treasure. They have so many TXT albums. Is it this one? Is this the fight version? This is the fight version. Yeah, fight version. What do I have in this one? I have this one. I don't know how long. Did I have the X? They're so pretty though. Stop, they're too cute. They have Itzy down there too. That's very cute. Oh. BTS thing. Look at it. See Jin? What do we get, Mandy? Minghao sticker.
Pearl milk tea.
For the vlog, bro. I'm back home from Toronto and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got Map of the Soul 7 version 3. I just got the TXT Chaos Chapter Fight or Escape because I've been wanting one of these for so long. So these are the two albums that I got. A better close-up. I got the Fight or Escape one by Tomorrow by Together and I got the Fight version. And then I got Map of the Soul version 3. Okay. I'm manifesting for beomgyu, like, please. Beomgyu. I'm telling you, I'm gonna pull, like, heeseung again. I love heeseung. I'm not complaining. It's not gonna be okay if I don't pull beomgyu. This is my third TXT album. If I don't pull it, I'm gonna cry.
We got it.
Beomgyu. 2, 1. Stickers! What is this? More stickers!
You're right.
3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Okay. We got Subin. Oh. Oh, it's like a mini poster. That's right, I forgot. It comes with a mini poster. Oh. Wait, no, I think that, isn't this Yeonjin? This looks like Yeonjin. I know, but it looks like Yeonjin's speed. I got Taeyang. I saw the name. This is my bias record though. He's cute. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Maybe. Is it? Oh my god, nah, hit him again.
This one's cute.
Oh.
2, 1. You're so cute. These are my polls. Suga, heeseung, and then Taeyang's my bias record. This is my to-do list for today. I probably should have started studying earlier, but oopsies.